Project number 4, lesson number 2, setting up your score. Once you click on your flat link for project number 4, Baby Shark, this should open and it's going to say new private score, Baby Shark, Miss Bird. You're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to open up the menu so you can select your instruments. The first instrument you're going to use is going to come from the pitched percussion. Click on that little arrow and it will open up the bottom menu, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for soprano steel drums, and you can just click on that. When you click on it, it will populate in this next screen here. You have 2 more to go. You're going to go back up to where it says keyboards. Click on that little arrow there. Go down to grand piano. Click on that. It should populate here. 1 more to go. Go to percussion, regular percussion. And you're going to go down to where it says hand claps. Click on that. And now you have your score. Make sure it's in this order. If for any reason you don't follow these instructions the way I just did it and it's not in order, all you have to do is move them up and down, drag them up and down so that you have the steel drums at the top, grand piano in the middle, and then the hand claps. Then you click on create. Now that your score is set up, let's go ahead in and put everything else that we need to do. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to go into the layout settings, and I'm going to choose where it says measures, sorry, not measures, measure numbers. And then you want to click on every measure. You want to print numbers at every measure, starting at measure number 1. You click on that, click save. Then you go down to note heads, which is right below measure numbers. Click on note heads, turn on your note names. Make sure that the little highlight goes around it like this, okay? Then you click on save. Very importantly, when you finish that, make sure you go down and click on done. All right, so we got the measure numbers set up and the note heads set up. Now let's set up our beats per minute. Click on that. This comes here. We can take that out. We're going to put 120, and then we're going to click on save. Now let's set up our measures. We need 5 measures. So we're going to go up here where it says measure, click on measure, and then add until you have 5 measures. 4, okay, I need 1 more. There we go. 5 measures, okay? Now, make sure that you take the Miss Bird out, which means you go in here, click on there. All right, remove that out, and then you put your name here, okay? All right, and then click on save. Okay, so that is pretty much it for setting up your score. So go ahead on to lesson number 3 and start building your melody.